Right, here's a good question. It says total number of electric charging units available for hybrid vehicles increased exponentially 2006. So here's the function they give you. Equals 235, 2.09 to the t. Okay? Where t responds to 2006. So in 2006, t would be 0. So in 2007, t would be 1. 2008, t would be 2, etc. How many available outlets were available in 2008? So what I need to do is plug that 2 in right there. Let's try it. Okay, so 235 bracket 2.09 bracket to the 2. So there'd be 1026. So here there'd be 1026.5. They say round to the nearest integer, so I'd call it 1027. Then they also want to know how many there'll be in 2010. So 2009 would be 3, 2010 would be 4. So I need to plug in a 4 right up there. Four. So 4484. 4484, etc. And you keep doing that same thing. Again, I'm not sure with calculators. With decimals, it's easy to see where the exponent is. In some calculators, it's harder to see that, so careful with that. Hopefully that helps with that question.